Adding a controller on the mobile app. Note: before logging into the FireProCare app, make sure the fire pump controller has been properly commissioned, started up, that the time and date are correct, and that the wireless connectivity feature is enabled. Note: the user must be in the same room as the fire pump controller, preferably standing in front of it. To add a new controller to your controller park, tap the plus button in the top right-hand corner of the app. You can either type the controller serial number or scan the barcode on the fire pump controller. Tap on Connect to Controller. Once the connection is successful, the fire pump controller is now part of your controller park. Note: it is recommended at this time to enter the street address of the installation and download the logs. Enter the street address of the installation. Slide down to Controller Logs, and tap on Download Latest Logs.